Are you ready to master Gmail in 2025? Whether you're new to email or just want to use Gmail more efficiently, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to manage your emails like a pro. When you log in, you'll notice Gmail's clean and organized layout. On the left, you'll find key categories like inbox, starred, sent, drafts, spam, and trash. Each of these plays a crucial role in keeping your emails organized. Your inbox is the main hub where all incoming messages from friends, family, or colleagues arrive. Starred lets you mark important emails, making it easy to find key messages later. Sent stores all emails you've dispatched, which is handy for checking past communications. Drafts are emails you've started but haven't sent yet, allowing you to pause and continue later. Gmail automatically filters junk mail into spam to keep your inbox clutter-free, and trash holds recently deleted emails in case you need to recover them. Now, let's create an email. Click the Compose button at the top left. Enter the recipient's email in the To field and add a clear, concise subject line that summarizes your message. The body is where you write your email. Need to include files? Click the paperclip icon to attach documents, images, or other files. Once you're satisfied, hit Send and your email is on its way. For more control, use CC to copy someone else on the email or BCC to send it to multiple recipients without revealing their addresses. These tools help maintain privacy and ensure everyone who needs the information gets it, and that's it. With these tips, you can confidently navigate Gmail, send professional emails, and stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, explore more of our tutorials to level up your tech skills and make the most of every platform you use.